YouTube, what's up with it's your boy JD, aka Illy4J, bring y'all another bang video. New to the channel, go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We going up all 2024. Bring y'all with number lit content. Y'all finna go ahead and do a little small little POV jump. Right now I'm finna go ahead and hey, y'all look how dirty this is, y'all. Like, oh my god, like it is sad. Like this stuff so dirty, y'all. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm not finna watch it. Y'all, it's so cold out here, y'all. Like, it's too cold. Oh, y'all ain't check out what I got. Look, y'all didn't check it out. Come look with the black Nikes on. Come on, y'all got the black big six, of course. Come on, got the black mirror with the blue on it. Come on, got the blue jacket on the man. Come on, go clean. And it's all crazy. I ain't even pay attention to it. I just do the jacket on. But I'm finna go ahead and check the oil right quick. It's about the time for oil change. I ain't gonna cap. For the one, like, if y'all know for all my car for, if y'all know y'all been running y'all car, check your oil. Like, it ain't nothing wrong with you. Come in here, hey, come on. Popping the hood, putting the dill stick, and checking the oil. Like, ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm probably like a half low. I want to say a quart. It ain't even a quart low. It's like a little bit, but low the third dot. And this simple, like, but at the same time, you don't want your motor to start for oil. Like, you don't want to start for. So if it's a little bit below, like, no, like I said, go buy your quarter oil or something if you need it, and then just top it out just a little bit. You know, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Then for these jumps right here, this jump for sure ain't gonna hurt it. Like, these motors, you gotta beat it, or you gotta run it bone dry. Like, if you do still run it bone dry, you're still gonna run. But you gotta beat on this. For this jump to turn up, this 6.2. So yeah, I'm finna go hit up to the rap star too. Like I said, it's just a little POV drive. It's finna get cold outside, like 0, 10 degrees, 13 degrees outside. So go ahead and bring y'all video. So you know, before it get cold. But you know, come on now, y'all. Hold up. Oh, my fault. I'm doing rookie stuff, y'all. I ain't have the door closed all the way. I'm sure like, there you go. Hold up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know right now, I think right now it's like 40, like 45 or something like that. Like, it's, y'all can see, probably see the smoke coming out my mouth. Y'all see the exhaust too. So yeah, it's a little cold right now. So, and it's gonna get colder. So like I said, I had to bring y'all a video. Though I be telling people, like, you already got the whip. Though I be telling some of my homeboys, like, you already got the whip. Might go out there and bring some content off of it. Then, like I said, it's a POV drive. People watch POV drives. Like they probably want the car that you got. They probably want to see what he's doing. They probably don't even want the car you got. You just probably bring some good content off your car. Make it look fun. But shoot, like I said, people sleep on these. It just feel like I always get sleepers for some reason. You know, I done had, you know, just this one and Impala, but this is. It just feel like I'm attracted to sleepers. This joint still a sleeper too, cause everybody, this L99 slow. I didn't wax so much stuff in this L99. I'm going here put them butt warmers on. Oh look. I'm going to put them butt warmers on right quick. That's what I call them. I don't call them heated seats. I call them butt warmers. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep that junk. Had them on for a little minute. Make sure all that heat on. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I don't need no gas. But I still want to put some gas in because, like, I'ma drive. I'm gonna need some gas later. So I'm gonna stop at the gas station. Put a cool little 20 in there. Yeah, put a cool little 20 there. He gonna be straight. I had went up to the shop. The guy that's supposed to be welding, he's supposed to be welding my tire, y'all. It's so crazy. I said my tire, my rim. I have a small crack in my rim, right? When I took it to the tire shop, the bubble, like he said, it wasn't nothing wrong with the tire, but it started bubbling behind the tire. So like, but you know, one big bubble, it was like some small little, you know, bubble. This why it goes flat, like it'll hold air, but it goes flat, like overnight. But when it's super cold outside, it's for sure going flat. But when it's like still a little warm, like 50 or 60 outside, of course, like it don't like just go all the way flat. It just lose some air. So I gotta go ahead and get that fixed. All right, I'm waiting on the dude to let me know when to bring the rim up there and say, no, I got my spur, in the back seat. So we're gonna get to that. But yeah, this problem. Glad it ain't the tire, cause those two front tires really brand new. Like the back then, them still looking good too. So, but at the same time, I'm gonna go back to them 305s. I'm gonna get some 305 35 20s. I like the look of the 305 30. I don't want to go 285. I ain't gonna lie. So it gonna be you know, kind of built on them axles. But nobody talking y'all ears off. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all the content. I'm gonna go ahead, go back in the house right quick, get a couple stuff, go there, then go to the route store. I'll put y'all back on in the city. Yes, sir, we in there, boy. Holla. Let me see. Let me get a little pool right quick. So crazy, y'all. Brewer got this done running. I don't care what nobody say, this done moving. And he like had shift, like he had, as he was told me, he had told me, like, you know, let me know if he shift too hard or too aggressive for you. No, I lower. He said he gonna lower something. I was like, nah, like, well, this is a sports car. I want to feel the just shift, but it don't shift hard as I'm cruising well. But like me getting in it, like you gonna feel it shift, and it's just snapping. We had just made it to Mexico too, y'all. So don't think we in Memphis. We in Mexico right now. When I pull up to Route Star, we're gonna be back in Memphis. You know, right now we in Mexico. Yes, sir. Told you, man, it's just a setup, the whole setup on these. Like, only thing I want to get rid of is this. Like, this is something that I'm not used to. Like, since I had the Pioneer, the double din with the Apple CarPlay, I had a new one. I paid like $300 for it. After having it, this junk was so hard in there. This, it's cool. I'm still surprised this junk came with Bluetooth in 2011, 2010. I'm surprised it came with Bluetooth, but I ain't gonna lie. This is what's kind of good. Like, it's cool because it got the light stuff on it, but you know, I missed the gauge, of course, you know, the setup, but I just need that touchscreen. Come on now. Come on now. A guy had told me, he had told me something about downshifting. I'm like, bro, yeah, don't downshift it too much. Like I said, I've been chilling lately with the downshift, but you still gonna, I mean, the downshift still, the tap shift still gonna work. Come on now. Tap shift still gonna work in this joint, y'all. Like, it's just still gonna work. Throw this in sports so y'all can hear them pops in this joint. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. This just sound incredible. Like, it be so funny, like, this car's so jumpy, like, at first, like, it's in first right now. Like, I just got out of it. It's just mine. Told you, mine. That's why I need the headers. Oh my god, y'all don't understand. It's talking, baby. with dirt. All I gotta do is tap the gas. Told y'all, man, them scares, nah, them just not the only one that be jerking. No count, they just be jerking too. That's why when y'all get a tune or something, like, make sure y'all get y'all trans tuned and stuff, like. Man, this just sounds so good. Everybody, the folks look like, God damn, my boy. Yeah, this just sounds good. Appreciate it. Man, what is y'all doing? Another thing I hate when people be driving on the road, it ain't light. Yeah, drive the speed limit, but y'all be driving too slow, like too slow. Like it's something wrong with y'all or something. Y'all always be braking. Y'all ride y'all brake. I hate people that do this. Like y'all be scared. People like y'all should not be on the road. Like they just talking, y'all. Oh my god. I know they Ford ain't trying to do nothing. This be talking, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. And like, is y'all drive? I'm gonna get big over. Is y'all drive in one of these? It actually, like, is you rolling going like, I want to say like 40 or 50. Like when you drop it down, like when you drop it down all the way into, like, you know, the first gear is jumping, but in these it's like third gear. It's like it's responsive a little bit, and it's a little bit more jumping. You can like take off. Like it's like when you drop these down all with the first, it's like it take a little minute to build up. Putting up to the gas station though right now. Yes, sir. Told y'all, man. Y'all got the whip. Y'all don't know who watching y'all. Y'all don't know who want one. Man, them folks gonna watch it. Them folks, it's gonna get them motivation. Them folks gonna get them one. I want y'all to get a mirror. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I got my dream car. Oh, dang, them folks crying at the program. Dang, y'all might need some gas too. My phone so my lit at the Kroger. I guess I just gonna do something. This side you going. Another thing about these junks, y'all, man, these junks got blind spot like crazy. Like blind spot is so, like, it's really because the hips on these junks so wide. Yeah, we gonna get this little $3 gas for this 93. Hit up the rap star. I'm trying to see. I'm gonna hit the E-way. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the E-way. Do I want to hit the E-way? Yeah, look where we at now. Focus. Look where we at now. When these gonna be drink gas, like with the, when you have like a big bourbon toy, it's sure gonna drink gas. We have a small one, it gonna still drink gas a little bit. But they're gonna be the outcome. But especially you had this on the sport. And when they hold the gears longer, you're gonna be for sure drinking gas, I ain't gonna lie. But Let me talking y'all ears off and go on ahead and post the gas and big 6 and we finna go on ahead and slide through traffic. Go on ahead and go up there to the rap star and put y'all back on in the seat. Alright, y'all, let's see what it. Let's see what it 20 and got a. Okay. I'll give it to it. I get this cool enough. I'll give it to it. I'll give it to it. I'll give it to it. That little tuna did a little something. I ain't gonna lie. I'll give it to it. Might better slow that feeling down for you. Alright. Told you y'all don't understand. Like y'all still feel like that, get out the way. Like move. Okay, not got no insurance. It just sounds so good. I'm gonna drop down the sport a little bit. I ain't finna bring all this little gas out though. Drop this jump down a little bit. Cause I don't be wanting to do nothing else, y'all, but like get in the junk and then get out there and hear the pops. That's why I be advising y'all to. Oh my God. Oh my God. That just started twerking, y'all. I ain't gonna go. Mirror. I be seeing so many of these junks, y'all. I be seeing plenty of these junks. This ain't no bad, like, it ain't no bad whip. Like, it's cool. I don't know when I'm finna get that windshield fixed though. But it actually starting to bother me a little bit. But I'm used to it being clear. Yes, sir. This how we do that. This how we do that. When we in Mexico, this what we do. And it's so funny, y'all. If y'all was to downshoot this car, even like, what he trying to do? Hold on, let me go ahead and show him something right quick. Well, I don't know what he thought it was. I better go put that little V6 up. If it is a V6, bro, well, he just tried to buck on me, y'all. What is wrong with that old man? I can't even say young man. You thought it was the regular degular? No. I should have rolled the window down. I might go put that joint over y'all. It is a cruiser. And I hate when people, I ain't gonna lie, I like not getting off, but I hate when people in car, the car, it's not a sports car, like especially like Altimas and stuff like that, they be trying to race. Like, bro, I'm not finna race you. This junk get to 100 so fast. I just know it's fast and stuff after though. Like when I've been looking, I ain't gonna lie, I've been looking at them 8 and 10 speed mirrors. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. I've been looking at them. Not saying, you know, we gonna eventually get one for sure, but hey, if I want to do no cam work to this one, if I do some cam work to this one, I don't know. Like I said, I'm really just enjoying the stockness right now. Cause like I said, having 2 years of dealing with a cam problem and stuff like it, you know, it was cool though. But dealing with cam problems, like, nah, it's a headache. Especially when you ain't got no second car to slide in. So, yeah, I've been looking at them 8 and 10 speed Camaros. I ain't gonna lie, them junk, they been growing on me a little bit. And the one, like I said, the specific one I want is the 2019 Camaro. It says I don't want the new like a 2020 look, cause they got the whole front bumper painted the same color as the car, which they look good. But I like the 2019 because they got the black piece in the inside, like it's still black. And the rest of the bumper painted. Yeah, I know for my Camaro boy that know what I'm talking about. 2019, they just hard to me. And them folks taxing for them 286. If I get one, I gotta have the leather seats. But well, I don't too much care about the seats, but it gotta have that roof in it. Got to. I ain't gonna get another drop. That's over. I ain't getting another drop. Or if I don't find it, like I said, I'll find me a 15 CL1. So, like they said, they sleeping on them, which is like, them just make like 560, like come on now. And then another thing is, it's like y'all, the people that be talking down, like y'all don't even race, like y'all probably never go that fast in the car. So ain't no point of saying, you should got the 10 speed or 8 speed to kill that jump, which is like if you do some boat on and stuff to an 8 speed, you probably can get on it though. I ain't gonna lie, but the net, come on now, they just still supercharged. And I love the body style. They just hard. They just gangster. But enough of me what's called playing. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna cut y'all back on when I get up to the rap star. So I'm finna enter the territory where the police be deep in. So I'm finna go and just chill right now. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I pull up the rap star, see what they got going on up there. End the video then. Alright, y'all, I would have made it to the residence. I ain't gonna lie. Be 66 and I ain't gonna talk. This just told, like I be telling y'all, this just be doing this thing. I don't care what nobody say. This just do his thing for sure. Like for sure, like always. This just for sure be doing this thing. This just so hard, y'all. Oh my god. I know I can put some stuff together. Go ahead and mess with Dave right quick. Make sure they cut precise. Like they clean up over there. So with it, John? You straight? Yeah. They got this boy. I don't know what they waiting on. They just got done with this John right here. Yes, sir. Would you paint the door jams?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. This stuff so stinky. See, this stuff so stinky. You gonna have to pull this junk out so I can get the full details on the junk. He got stuff behind it too. Ooh. You know it's running back here? So you know it's running back here?
Yeah.
Okay. I got them Escalade tail lights on there, boy. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, the color hard on her. Don't forget the rap star. This engraved in the hood. Oh, look, y'all see this? details. But yeah, he gangster. Both of them gangster. Like everywhere, he got the red Stingray, red brake caliber with the red, not too much red. The red inside, come on. It's those stink too. Yeah, he gangster. Look, with the red, I ain't never seen nobody with the two-tone rap star. He the first one I seen with the two-tone rap star sticker. But they over there 10. They got their copyright playing though. You got these two boys sitting over here in the corner. He just so dusty right here, y'all. It done being this look. This was so good. This done been sitting for so long. Look at this. Look fucking riding on it. This the next one we finna go make. We finna go viral. Make sure y'all follow my J_Deshaun page, DSHUN page. Y'all gonna see I had made I made my boy Los, he went viral off his catfish Camaro. So yeah, this one they finna go viral. Yes sir. And Will he would have had his out, but his towel missed up, so he had brought the blades out. So ain't nothing wrong with it. Yeah. This color actually hard. I gotta see this in person. It's like it look like a Dr. Pepper can. It's hard. Yeah, you guys. I would never thought nobody put a color like this on one of these. That's why it's hard. Yeah, you guys. Right here though, for sure. But it wasn't too much going on up here though. They had really just finished up this joint. This joint gangster though. I like how they just see it. Like I be telling y'all, get in my folks. But like I said, it wasn't over a little POV video. It got a little cold outside, so I had to put the ski up. But it wasn't over a little POV video. Sure, wasn't too much going on, and it's cold outside. But y'all knew you trying to go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Like I said, we're gonna all 2024 cause it's on the flow. Straight like that. We're gonna all 2024 cause it's on the flow. All 2024 is on the flow. I'm gonna make it look better though. But yeah, I'm see y'all in this video. Peace.